Hi guys, I'm going to eat and let's go and eat. Before I need to pray. Thank you, Papa Jesus, for all the blessings and all the food. Thank you, Pa. So good. Mom, where's my chicken? It's a big one. You want to try?
Ketchup?
Yeah. Come out. Oh, that's a lot.
Okay, eat na.
Okay. By the way, this is my favorite food. Chicken.
Eat na si Rin.
I can't chop it.
Kain. Kain ka na. Mag-ayak ka na kumain, be.
Halo natin yung ketchup tapos to.
O, ikaw. Wala ka dyan. Kain na.
This part is really nice.
Kain na.
Wow, look at the insides. I broke it with my 2 fingers. Ow, it's so hot.
Well,
Try it, kids. It's so yummy.
yung camera, oh. Yan, like that.
So yummy, kids.
Eat na.
Yum. This is a mukbang.
Liwat gulay. Ito gulay.
Mom.
Oh, wait lang. Oh, gulay. Oh. Anong gulay yan?
Bawang. Agam.
Opo. Yun na. Eat ka na. Kain kang gulay? Want gulay? No. Good for the body. Sige na, eat na.
And we got the cover. We just bought this in the store.
Yeah.
I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win. You did not subo nga. Yun na.
Nasubo na ako kanina. More breaking it. More. Look at this big chunky. Mom. It looks like. Ano tawag the bug we always get?
Very good job.
It looks like salagubang.
Ang kanin mo.
Oh wait, I need the sausaw. Sausaw magiliw.
Kanin mo.
Connie next. Daddy's going to win.
Yeah. How about Maddie?
No.
Going to lose.
Yeah.
Bala kumain. Hurry up na. Wala pang bawas ng kanin mo.
Meron!
Yakat ka na.
Tuling ka ba? Do you hear that, guys? Those are my friends.
Gusto na mo.
Sandali, guys. I need to drink water. Why did you add a pillow? I'm 5'9", hindi 4.
Sige na. You eat na yung kanin mo.
Is this your channel? No, di ba?
Kanin mo? Will you eat like that?
No.
Kanin pa.
Hey, but what's that? The thing right there? That looks like salagubang, patay
It's
salagubang.
shrimp.
Shrimp? Bakit parang salagubang?
It's not.
Parang salagubang.
Why? You want to eat salagubang?
No.
Oh, why you would help? Maano ka dyan? Oh, you sit down properly.
Sit down.
Sit down. What ba?
Saw, suka, parabira pa.
Nga. Yung?
Peppernya.
Hi, God. Is it still recording, Mom?
What?
Is it still recording?
Nah, kuy dia segawas.
Pambawas yung kanin mo eh. You're so bagal eh.
Bago nga ako.
Bagal ka kumain eh. Pag hindi, mabilis, diba?
Yeah.
Eh, hindi ang chocolate. That's why, no, you have, pakita mo yung teeth mo. Neck. Wala lang teeth sa taas. Wait na. Sir na. Nabalat ng kanin pa, oh.
I'm a boy. I have no hair.
Ano hair mo? Kulot. Curly.
I curled my hair yesterday.
Sige na, you eat na. Dapat pambawas yung kanin mo. Subo mo lahat. Alis mo. Ulam mo.
Pwede ato.
Sit down ka. Ha?
Pwede ato.
Bakit naman? Ulam mo.
Baho? Baho ka?
Bakit si Mama? You say like that? Don't talk. Your mouth is full. Swallow mo na yan. Sige na, lasubo na yan. Bilis na, yung chicken mo. Ano pa, yung chicken mo pa.
Huwag lang.
Okay, sige na.
Bye until my next video, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye and God bless you. Bye.